Hi guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Welcome back to How To Tuesday. If you missed a previous episode of How To Tuesday, click the link above. Trust me when I say you don't want to miss How To Tuesday. I save you time, I save you money, I feature some pretty cool car tech, and every once in a while I share my driving tips I learned on my family's go-kart track. But today is all about helping you prepare your vehicle for summer, and I've partnered with New Finish to demonstrate two of their products, the New Finish Scratch Doctor and Once a Year Car Polish, and both of these are so easy to use, and you'd find them in my garage. So let's get started. Step one, I recommend cleaning your vehicle first, especially if you're going to be using a scratch removal product, because this will help you to see and locate where your scratches are in advance. Now step two, read the instructions so you know how to maximize the product's use and understand your do's and don'ts. Apply with a clean, soft cloth. Use moderate pressure. Wipe off with a soft cloth. As for your don'ts, do not use this on vinyl, decals, or wood. And if you're familiar with my channel, then you know I grew up on a go-kart track, so I wouldn't use this particular product on my high-quality vinyl go-kart stickers. So now I'm applying a thin layer of my New Finish Scratch Doctor product to a clean and dry microfiber cloth. Clearly that's easy to do, and I follow up that process by applying the product to my scratch using moderate pressure as suggested, and I always prefer using a circular motion when applying my products. And as a quick FYI, if you need to use a bit more product to eliminate more of the scratch, then just follow the same steps. Apply New Finish Scratch Doctor to your microfiber cloth and continue to wipe it away. Once I or you see that the scratch has been removed, then just finish off the process by using a dry portion of your microfiber cloth to wipe away any remaining residue. And just like that, the process is done. Now it's time for me to use my New Finish Once a Year Car Polish, and you follow the exact same steps. And you know that you're actually using this product correctly because your car or truck will shine so much nicer, and it doesn't matter if you're detailing your vehicle at home or you're using a local car wash, all the water will bead away so much quicker. So again, step one, wash your vehicle and make sure it's dry, and then step two, read the directions. That said, wash and dry your car like I've already suggested. Shake well and apply with a damp cloth, one section at a time. Let dry to a haze and wipe off with a clean, soft cloth. As for your don'ts, do not use on vinyl, plastic trim, wood, rubber, or flat paint. So again, I wouldn't use this product on my high quality vinyl go-kart stickers, but I could, or you could, use it on fiberglass boats, RVs, and airplanes. Also, it polishes chrome surfaces. Now, let's get started. I'm applying my New Finish Once a Year Car Polish product to my damp microfiber cloth, and I know the product suggests that no rubbing or buffing is required, but personally I like to use the same process I use with my New Finish Scratch Doctor, which essentially is a circular motion. Once I've applied the product to my choice area, I just wait for it to dry, or when I see a hazy finish, as the product suggests, I just wipe it off with another clean and dry microfiber cloth. Personally, I know the product works and I followed the directions correctly because my vehicle shines brighter, and when I clean my vehicle at home again or take it to a car wash, the chemicals I use bead away a lot quicker, and that's what I or you want to see happen. That's it guys. I use and recommend the New Finish Scratch Doctor product and the New Finish Once a Year Car Polish because they're so easy to use, and personally I know they always provide me with great results. And what I'll do is down in the description I'll provide you with links so you can learn more about each individual product. Guys, I'm Juliana, your automotive woman. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss How To Tuesday or Feature Car Friday. Thanks for watching guys. Summertime!